Hello, welcome to Touring Globe.
Surprising things you didn't know about ocean cruises. Ocean cruises are a popular vacation choice for millions of people, offering relaxation, adventure, and a unique way to explore the world. However, many cruisers may not be aware of some surprising facts about the ships, their journeys, and the experiences that await them. Below are some fascinating and lesser-known aspects of ocean cruises that may surprise even the most seasoned travelers. 1. Cruise ships have their own micro-ecosystems. A cruise ship is more than just a floating hotel, it's a small city on the water. These ships are so large and self-sufficient that they effectively create their own micro-ecosystem. For instance, modern ships are equipped with advanced waste management systems that treat wastewater, convert waste into usable resources, and even handle recycling efforts. They also use sophisticated water filtration systems that can purify seawater into drinkable water, which is a critical feature when traveling in remote parts of the world. Some ships have their own sewage treatment plants and even advanced air purification systems to ensure that the air on board remains fresh and clean. This makes cruising a more sustainable option than some might think, and it highlights how much effort is placed into maintaining both the environment and the comfort of passengers. 2. The captain's authority goes beyond navigation. The captain of a cruise ship holds a position of significant power, but their role extends far beyond simply steering the ship. While it's clear that the captain navigates the seas, they are also responsible for the safety, security, and well-being of everyone on board. In fact, the captain is often the final authority on a variety of matters. For example, the captain has the authority to alter the ship's course based on weather conditions, safety risks, or unforeseen circumstances. They can even make decisions on shore excursions, whether a port of call should be skipped due to dangerous conditions, or whether certain amenities should be shut down for safety reasons. In addition to these duties, the captain can also play a role in the onboard atmosphere, sometimes influencing the ship's entertainment schedule or overseeing high-level events like gala dinners or special guest activities. 3. Cruise ships can have high-end art galleries and auctions. Luxury cruise lines know that many of their guests enjoy art as part of their overall cruising experience. As a result, many ships are home to onboard art galleries that feature works by renowned artists, and some even hold live art auctions. These galleries are often located in prominent areas of the ship, offering a unique and upscale way for guests to spend their time while at sea. Cruise ships may host auctions where travelers can bid on paintings, sculptures, or photography from well-known artists. In some cases, the artworks are displayed as part of special exhibitions, offering passengers the chance to experience culture and creativity while sailing across the ocean. In fact, some cruise lines are so committed to art that they even have permanent collections displayed on board, ranging from contemporary art to classical pieces. These galleries are not just about admiring art, they're also an opportunity to purchase one-of-a-kind pieces that may never be seen again. 4. Cruise ships host themed events for extra fun. Cruising is not just about relaxing and sightseeing, it's also about having fun and making memories. Many cruise lines host themed events that range from exciting parties to interactive experiences. These events are designed to bring passengers together for a shared experience, and some of them are quite surprising. For example, some cruise lines have pirate nights, where guests dress up as pirates, enjoy pirate-themed food and drinks, and even watch a pirate-themed show. Other cruise ships hold white parties, where everyone wears all white, or carnival nights, filled with festivities inspired by a traditional carnival atmosphere. Some ships even host special events like masquerades, wine-tasting dinners, or outdoor film screenings. These themed events create a sense of community among passengers and add an extra layer of fun to the cruise experience. Whether it's an elegant gala or a laid-back barbecue by the pool, cruise lines are always looking for new and creative ways to entertain guests. 5. Cruise ships don't always follow a set route. Most people assume that once a cruise sets sail, it follows a strict route with no deviation. In reality, however, cruise ships have the flexibility to change their course depending on a variety of factors. The ship's captain and cruise planners will monitor weather conditions, tides, and even political situations that could affect the safety of the voyage. For example, if a storm is approaching, the captain may reroute the ship to avoid dangerous weather conditions. Additionally, if there are issues with a particular port of call, like security concerns or a lack of dock availability, the itinerary may be adjusted accordingly. Sometimes, pirates or other threats in certain regions can also force ships to take a different path. This flexibility allows cruise lines to ensure the safety and comfort of their passengers, even if it means making last-minute changes to the schedule. As a result, passengers are often treated to surprise ports or alternate scenic routes that they hadn't anticipated when booking their trip. 6. Cruise ships can generate their own weather. Cruise ships are so massive and move so quickly through the water that they can actually create their own weather patterns, at least on a small scale. Due to the ship's size, speed, and interaction with the surrounding air and sea, it can sometimes cause local atmospheric effects. In some cases, ships can create fog or cloud cover in their wake, especially when traveling through colder waters. This phenomenon is particularly noticeable when the ship moves from warmer waters to cooler ones, causing moisture in the air to condense and form mist. While not exactly a weather system, it is a fascinating byproduct of the ship's interaction with its environment. In addition to this, the ship's movement can also affect ocean currents in its immediate vicinity, adding to the dynamic nature of cruising. This unique interaction with the environment is something passengers might never notice, but is just one of the many surprises that come with being on a floating city. 7. You can get high-speed internet on board. In the past, cruise ships were notorious for their spotty internet connections, but today's modern cruise ships are much more connected. Many cruise lines offer high-speed internet, often through satellite connections that can provide decent service even in the middle of the ocean. However, the internet isn't always free, and the prices can vary greatly depending on the ship and the package you choose. Though the internet speed may not always be as fast as what you're used to on land, many travelers can still use it to stay connected with family, share photos on social media, or catch up on emails while at sea. Still, there's something to be said for disconnecting and fully embracing the vacation experience. After all, a cruise is an excellent opportunity to take a break from the digital world. 8. Cruise ship waste is strictly regulated. While many people worry about the environmental impact of cruising, modern cruise ships are subject to strict regulations when it comes to waste management. Ships must comply with international rules designed to minimize pollution, such as those set by the International Maritime Organization, IMO. Cruise ships are equipped with advanced sewage treatment plants, air scrubbers to reduce emissions, and systems that ensure waste is properly disposed of. Some ships even use technologies like exhaust gas cleaning systems to reduce sulfur emissions, and they follow guidelines for managing waste on board to protect the oceans. While there are still some concerns about pollution from cruise ships, the industry has made significant strides in reducing its environmental impact, and many cruise lines are working toward more sustainable practices. 9. Secret bars and hidden lounges. Many cruise ships, especially those catering to luxury travelers, have hidden or secret bars that are not immediately visible to the general public. These speakeasy-style lounges are often located behind unmarked doors or within quieter parts of the ship. Finding them can be part of the fun, as some are only accessible with an invitation or a secret password. These exclusive bars often have a unique atmosphere, offering guests a chance to enjoy a more intimate and quieter experience away from the hustle and bustle of the main areas. The decor and ambience may resemble those of classic cocktail lounges from a bygone era, adding a touch of mystery and glamour to the cruise experience. 10. Some cruise ships have onboard zoos or animal experiences. While most people associate zoos with land-based locations, some cruise ships have onboard animal exhibits or special animal-related experiences. These may include marine aquariums, bird sanctuaries, or even petting zoos where guests can interact with animals. Some ships also offer interactive dolphin encounters or behind-the-scenes looks at the ship's marine biology program. For families, these onboard animal experiences offer an educational and entertaining way to engage with wildlife while cruising. It's also an opportunity to learn about marine conservation or animal care, which can make for a memorable experience. Cruises are not just about the destinations or the luxury amenities, they are full of surprises. From hidden secrets on board to advanced eco-friendly technologies, there's always something new to discover on a cruise. Whether you're a first-time cruiser or a seasoned traveler, the world of ocean cruising holds many exciting possibilities. So, the next time you set sail, keep an eye out for these surprises. Thank you for taking the time to watch our content. We truly appreciate your support and hope you found the information engaging and valuable. Your viewership encourages us to keep creating and sharing more exciting material. If you enjoyed what you saw, we kindly invite you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos and become a part of our growing community. Your subscription not only motivates us but also helps us reach more viewers like you. Join us on this journey, and together, let's explore new ideas and experiences. See you in the next video.